Welcome to the Economic Indicator Brief, brought to you by the Statistics Department of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka.
Let us begin with the latest developments in the real sector. The Colombo Consumer Price Index based headline inflation, which returned to positive territory in August 2025, continued its upward trend towards the inflation target in September 2025. Accordingly, headline inflation accelerated to 1.5% in September 2025 from 1.2% in August 2025. Meanwhile, the CCPI-based core inflation remained unchanged at 2.0% in September 2025. The Sri Lankan economy grew by 4.9% in second quarter of 2025 compared to 4.1% growth in the corresponding quarter of 2024, as per the national accounts estimates published by the Department of Census and Statistics. All three major economic activities positively contributed to this performance. In the meantime, the manufacturing, services and construction activities continued to expand during August 2025 as reflected in Purchasing Managers' Indices. Turning now to monetary sector. The average weighted call money rate stood at 7.87% as of 30th September 2025, while the weekly average weighted prime lending rate was 8.05% for the week ending 26 September 2025. Meanwhile, excess liquidity conditions persisted in the market, with total outstanding market liquidity recording a surplus of 198.8 billion rupees by the end of the month. The external sector continued to strengthen in August 2025. Earnings from merchandise export increased by 6.7% during the first 8 months of 2025, while expenditure on merchandise imports grew by 10.5% compared to the corresponding period of last year. Gross official reserves were provisionally estimated at $6.2 billion as at the end of August 2025. During the year up to 26 September 2025, the Sri Lanka rupees depreciated by 3.3% against the US dollars. Workers' remittances amounted to $681 million in August 2025, sustaining the positive momentum that has been observed in recent months. Meanwhile, continuing the strong performance within the sector, the earnings from tourism amounted to $259 million in August 2025. Finally, on fiscal front, during the first 8 months of 2025, the government revenue and grants increased to 3,301 billion rupees, while total expenditure and net lending rose to 3,712 billion rupees compared to the same period of previous year. The outstanding central government debt increased to 29,635 billion rupees by the end of first half of 2025 from 28,739 billion rupees as at the end of 2024. With this, we conclude this briefing on key economic indicators as of 30th September 2025. Thank you for joining us.
For more information, please refer to our weekly and monthly economic indicators on CBSL website.